Hey folks, I want to talk to you about this old chainsaw right here. Ain't got many hours on it. Bought this thing 4 years ago. Put it through its paces for about 3 days. I was tired of it. I didn't want to run it no more. I was done. That's how much I love a chainsaw. It's a dang $100 chainsaw, snatched it off the shelf, big box store. I got done with it. I'm gonna tell you how I put it away. I dump the fuel while it's running. And then I lay into it, give it the throttle. As soon as I hear that motor stumble, I grab the choke and I bleed it. I keep going until it shuts off. Burned all the fuel out of the carburetor. Throwed it in a box, stuck it on the shelf. It's been there ever since. Tomorrow, I need to use a chainsaw. So I broke it out. The reason I'm telling you this is this. I've always heard there's two theories on how to put a piece of equipment away. And I've been to those lectures where the big manufacturers who say the real expensive equipment tell you, leave fuel in it. That'll keep it. Put the little fuel saver in there and set it on the shelf. I never quite agreed with that. So today we're going to test my theory. 4 years on the shelf, put away with no fuel and burn what's in the carburetor out. I'm going to put a little fresh fuel in it. We're going to see how it reacts. Maybe those guys selling those high dollar units know more than I do about it. We fix to find out. I done run my mouth. We gotta see if it'll run. Give her a little choke. Hit that primer bulb a couple times. I don't care who y'all. That's a runner. And I'm gonna keep putting it away the same way I've been putting them away for years. You can do it any way you want to. You follow that advice, put your fuel stabilizers in there, and I believe in them. I use them throughout the year, but I don't leave my equipment with fuel in it. And I don't leave fuel in my carburetor. Take those steps. Empty the fuel while it's running. Minute it stumbles, pull the choke, stay in the throttle, run it out till it's dead. You won't regret it. If you found this interesting, learned something from it, give us one of them there thumbs up. Lord knows, subscribe ain't gonna hurt.